So to make the first DIY, cut down the down part of the bottle, and like this we have cut it. Make holes with hot screwdriver like this all over the bottle. Apply a layer of gesso on it first, and then we are going to paint it using purple paint. You can paint it with any color. So let it dry. So now it has dried. Here we have some Portulaca plant. We are going to insert it into the holes one by one like this. And now put some soil and cocoa peat into it like this. After this, here we have taken an umbrella stand. It was broken, so we are using it. And stick it in the center of the cement filled container. And now take this cap and take this type of pot tray, turn it upside down and simply close it. So this will not move, like this. Now we are going to paint it with black acrylic color. Paint it whole like this with black paint. And paint the tray with purple paint only. So let that dry. And also we have put some soil on the tray also. Attach these bottles with it. So we have sewn money plant into it. For the next DIY, here we have taken plastic bottles. We are going to cut it in the shape of this as shown. Cut it very nicely and very carefully. Like this. Fold it upside down. And now you get the shape of the animal. Like this. Make its ears. Firstly, we are going to apply a layer of gesso on it first. And paint it with different color shades. So firstly we have made a cow, and similarly we are going to make other animals also. So with wind it would move its neck and make some features like eyes. So like this, it is also ready. After this, here we have taken a big bottle and we're going to paint it first with this shade only. And now we are going to cut the part and we're going to insert it. Close it with the cap inside. Using some brush, we have given some spray on it. Sprinkle some paint on it to make it this design. And let it dry. So this pot is also ready. Toothbrush, we have given some black dots also. Similarly, for the next one, here we have done the same procedure but given the lines over it. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Take care. Goodbye.